Hi guys, just going to run through the basics of what you need to do when you first receive your machine. So initially, obviously, you'll be boxed up, so you need to remove the box and any packaging. So normally there'll be some foam and wrapping. So once you plug the machine in, there is another video to how to remove the power cord from the back and plug it in. So once it's plugged in and powered up, you can open the door of the machine by popping the lock open with a key, putting your fingers behind the little recess of the door here and turning the lock anti-clockwise. Just pulling on the door as you go, giving it a little bit of pressure. Once the machine opens, it does run through a few different tests just to make sure everything is okay. Once VMC OK comes up, you know that everything is fine. So next thing you normally would do is remove this little bar here. What that does, just for transport basically, prevents the trays from coming out and coming forward and blocking you from being able to open the door. So there's normally just two screws which need to be removed. Just a basic mid-size Phillips head screwdriver, and that bar comes off and can be disregarded. Normally you would need to open the door up to about 160 degrees to enable you to get the trays out in fully. And that enables you to be able to obviously replenish the machine. So next, normally would have a cashless payment system installed, in this case an IX unit, and the antenna would normally be run through a little hole up the top of the machine here. So the antenna will normally be upside down for transit. So just pop that out and place it on top of the machine. It is magnetic. That just ensures you get best signal for the machine itself. That cable runs through on the inside of the machine into the back of the NIAX unit, which sits behind a note reader if you have gone for cash payment systems. There will be another video on how to install the NIAX unit, which will run through that as well.